I'm happy today.
I was happy yesterday.
I'm happy today.
I was happy yesterday.
You are kind.
You were kind.
You are kind.
You were kind.
She is tired.
She was tired.
She is tired.
She was tired.
They are students.
They were students.
They are students.
They were students.
He is a good player.
He was a good player.
He is a good player.
He was a good player.
We are excited.
We were excited.
We are excited.
We were excited.
The dog is hungry.
The dog was hungry.
The dog is hungry.
The dog was hungry.
I am at home.
I was at home.
I am at home.
I was at home.
You are funny.
You were funny.
You are funny.
You were funny.
She is my teacher.
She was my teacher.
She is my teacher.
She was my teacher.
The books are on the table.
The books were on the table.
The books are on the table. I am ready for school.
I was ready for school.
I am ready for school.
I was ready for school.
It is very cold today.
It was very cold yesterday.
It is very cold today.
It was very cold yesterday.
They are my neighbors.
They were my neighbors.
They are my neighbors.
They were my neighbors.
He is a kind person.
He was a kind person.
He is a kind person.
He was a kind person.
We are best friends.
We were best friends.
We are best friends.
We were best friends.
The children are noisy.
The children were noisy.
The children are noisy.
The children were noisy.
I am busy now.
I was busy earlier.
I am busy now.
I was busy earlier.
She is in the kitchen.
She was in the kitchen.
She is in the kitchen.
She was in the kitchen.
You are late.
You were late.
You are late.
You were late.
The room is clean.
The room was clean.
The room is clean.
The room was clean.
You are in the park.
You were in the park.
You are in the park.
You were in the park.
We are here.
We were here.
We are here. We are here.
We were here.
They are hungry.
They were hungry.
They are hungry.
They were hungry.
The kids are ready.
The kids were ready.
The kids are ready.
The kids were ready.
It is late.
It was late.
It is late.
It was late.
He is sick.
He was sick.
He is sick.
He was sick.
You are early.
You were early.
You are early.
You were early.
It is fun.
It was fun.
It is fun.
It was fun.
I am busy.
I was busy.
I am busy.
I was busy.
He is my brother.
He was my brother.
He is my brother.
He was my brother.
We are in school.
We were in school.
We are in school.
We were in school.
She is polite.
She was polite.
She is polite.
She was polite.
They are in the room.
They were in the room.
They are in the room.
They were in the room.
It is a sunny day.
It was a sunny day.
It is a sunny day.
It was a sunny day.
You are smart.
You were smart.
You are smart.
You were smart.
The bag is heavy.
The bag was heavy.
The bag is heavy.
The bag was heavy.
The car is fast.
The car was fast.
The car is fast.
The car was fast.
I am at home.
I was at home.
I am at home.
I was at home.
She is on time.
She was on time.
She is on time.
She was on time.
We are excited.
We were excited.
We are excited.
We were excited.
The book is open.
The book was open.
The book is open.
The book was open.
She is beautiful.
She was beautiful.
She is beautiful.
She was beautiful.
He is a singer.
He was a singer.
He is a singer.
He was a singer.
The boys are happy.
The boys were happy.
The boys are happy.
The boys were happy.
I am full.
I was full.
I am full.
I was full.
You are strong.
You were strong.
You are strong.
You were strong.
It is new.
It was new.
It is new.
It was new.
They are outside.
They were outside.
They are outside.
They were outside.
The sky is blue.
The sky was blue.
The sky is blue.
The sky was blue.
It is dark.
It was dark.
It is dark.
It was dark.
They are near.
They were near.
They are near.
They were near.
I am in bed.
I was in bed.
I am in bed.
I was in bed.
It is broken.
It was broken.
It is broken.
It was broken.
The floor is wet.
The floor was wet.
The floor is wet.
The floor was wet.
We are calm.
We were calm.
We are calm.
We were calm.
I am healthy.
I was healthy.
I am healthy.
I was healthy.
The shoes are dirty.
The shoes were dirty.
The shoes are dirty.
The shoes were dirty.
She is interested.
She was interested.
She is interested.
She was interested.
It is hot outside.
It was hot outside.
It is hot outside.
It was hot outside.
I am hungry.
I was hungry.
I am hungry.
I was hungry.
The bag is on the table.
The bag was on the table.
The bag is on the table.
The bag was on the table.
You are not wrong.
You were not wrong.
You are not wrong.
You were not wrong.
I am not alone.
I was not alone.
I am not alone.
I was not alone.
The lights are off.
The lights were off.
The lights are off.
The lights were off.
I am scared.
I was scared.
I am scared.
I was scared.
The bus is late.
The bus was late.
The bus is late.
The bus was late.
She is a nurse.
She was a nurse.
She is a nurse.
She was a nurse.
They are my friends.
They were my friends.
They are my friends.
They were my friends.
You are a good person.
You were a good person.
You are a good person.
You were a good person.
He is nice.
He was nice.
He is nice.
He was nice.
We are a team.
We were a team.
We are a team.
We were a team.
The cake is delicious.
The cake was delicious.
The cake is delicious.
The cake was delicious.
The keys are missing.
The keys were missing.
The keys are missing.
The keys were missing.
You are helpful.
You were helpful.
You are helpful.
You were helpful.
She is my friend.
She was my friend.
She is my friend.
She was my friend.
I am serious.
I was serious.
I am serious.
I was serious.
We are old classmates.
We were old classmates.
We are old classmates.
We were old classmates.
The window is open.
The window was open.
The window is open.
The window was open.
He is popular.
He was popular.
He is popular.
He was popular.
I am confident.
I was confident.
I am confident.
I was confident.
She is funny.
She was funny.
She is funny.
She was funny.
They are in trouble.
They were in trouble.
They are in trouble.
They were in trouble.
We are on vacation.
We were on vacation.
We are on vacation.
We were on vacation.
You are amazing.
You are amazing.
You are amazing.
You are amazing.
He is your friend.
He was your friend.
He is your friend.
He was your friend.
I am afraid.
I was afraid.
I am afraid.
I was afraid.
We are close.
We were close.
We are close.
We were close.
The house is small.
The house was small.
The house is small.
The house was small.
They are safe.
They were safe.
They are safe.
They were safe.
I am late again.
I was late yesterday.
I am late again.
I was late yesterday.
The kids are asleep.
The kids were asleep.
The kids are asleep.
The kids were asleep.
He is brave.
He was brave.
He is brave.
He was brave.
You are talented.
You were talented.
You are talented.
You were talented.
I am calm.
I was calm.
I am calm.
I was calm.
The street is empty.
The street is empty.
The street is empty.
The street is empty.
The shop is opened.
The shop was opened.
The shop is opened.
The shop was opened.
I am in the garden.
I was in the garden.
I am in the garden.
I was in the garden.
She is kind to me.
She was kind to me.
She is kind to me.
She was kind to me.
He is not angry.
He was not angry.
He is not angry.
He was not angry.
They are at the park.
They were at the park.
They are at the park.
They were at the park.
We are on the bus.
We were on the bus.
We are on the bus.
We were on the bus.
It is raining.
It was raining.
It is raining.
It was raining.
The children are happy.
The children were happy.
The children are happy.
The children were happy.
I am at work.
I was at work.
I am at work.
I was at work.